Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can easily add a new workspace in Monday.com. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Monday.com and then just click here the three dots and click add a new workspace, right? And you're gonna see create a workspace. Yes, we want to have a Taman workspace number 2. Okay, you can create a workspace. And here we got it. So I can add members here. I can simply add new blank board, right? And I can simply add everything here. So this is pretty much it, how we do it. And yep, thank you very much everybody for watching. And have a great day and goodbye.